Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sheldon, local and long distance movers near me. For 3 Movers, local moves in Sheldon are a walk in the park. Quite literally, when you entrust your relocation to us, you can rest assured that our experienced team will handle every aspect with utmost care and efficiency. From the moment you contact us, our expert consultants will work closely with you to tailor a moving plan that suits your needs. On moving day, our skilled Sheldon local movers will swing into action, carefully packing your belongings and ensuring they are well protected for the short journey ahead. Here's the icing. We know the city streets like the back of our hands. Our familiarity with the ins and outs of Sheldon grant us the power to navigate any traffic snarls or tricky turns, saving you time and unnecessary stress. Although local moves are a breeze for 3 Movers, long distance moves are our specialty. When it comes to moving you from Sheldon, Iowa to far off destinations, we go the extra mile, literally. The key difference is in the planning execution. Our expert consultants meticulously strategize every step of the long distance move, ensuring nothing is left to chance. On the big day, our skilled Sheldon long distance 3 Movers will kick it up by employing additional protective measures to keep your precious belongings safe throughout the journey. We understand the emotional value of your items, and our commitment to their safety is unwavering. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Sheldon Moving Business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.